if learning Chinese could be simple? Imagine speaking fluently and understanding locals without feeling overwhelmed by tones and characters. You are not alone. In this video, I will show you the secrets to mastering Chinese as an adult, with tools, methods, and a study plan that works. Ready to make some progress? Let's get started! Most people think learning Chinese is impossible, but here is the truth. It's simpler than you think. No word conjugations, no tenses, and no plurals. Characters are like building blocks. Learning 200 of them and you can recognize 50% of daily tasks. Amazing, right? The real challenge is staying consistent. And that's exactly what I will help you tackle today. One of my students started with zero knowledge and in just 3 months could confidently read restaurant menus. The secret: using spaced repetition consistently and review for just 15 minutes a day. Imagine sitting at your favorite Chinese restaurant and ordering without help. It's totally possible. As adults, we have a huge advantage. We can set clear goals and focus on what matters most. Need Chinese for business? Start with keyword categories and phrases. Planning to travel? Focus on survival Chinese. This targeted learning makes it easier and faster than you think. Let's talk about some tools that actually works. Use Hello Chinese for tones and vocabulary. It's beginner-friendly and engaging. Try Practical for instant character lookup. It's a lifesaver. And for memorization, Anki ensures you will never forget what you have learned through spaced repetition. Here is how to use these tools. Shadowing: mimic short sentences from dramas. Pause, repeat, and replay. This improves tones and fluency. Spaced repetition: use Anki daily. You will see cards at just the right time for maximum retention. Immersion: change your phone to Chinese. Listen to podcasts and practice daily. Consistency is the key to fluency. Here's a simple plan. For beginners, spend 30 minutes daily on tones and 5 new words. For intermediate learners, focus on conversation and sentence building, 1 hour a day. For advanced learners, dive into cultural nuances and add-ons for 19 minutes daily. Follow this for a few weeks, and you will already see the results. Here is a common myth: you need to write Chinese characters to learn the language. Not true. Start by recognizing characters and speaking confidently. Writing can come later. It's a game changer for adult learners. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture yourself chatting with locals effortlessly, or watching your favorite Chinese dramas without subtitles. That dream can be a reality if you start today. Learn 5 new characters or shadow a short clip today. And let me know in the comments what your biggest challenge is. I'd love to help. You have got this. Jiāyóu!